Is Apliiq right for your dropshipping business? Let's review my experience. Find links to Apliiq and related resources in the description below. Apliiq is a print-on-demand dropshipping platform specializing in custom apparel with unique branding options. It's perfect for entrepreneurs building a standout clothing line with high-quality garments and private label services. My experience shows Apliiq is more than dropshipping, it's a brand-building tool. A standout feature is Apliiq's custom branding. Unlike other print-on-demand providers, Apliiq helps build your brand with custom labels, woven tags, and inside neck prints. Every product feels like it comes directly from you. For a unique clothing business, this customization is invaluable. Apliiq offers t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, and more, all from premium brands. They emphasize quality, ensuring garments meet high standards and customer expectations, crucial for a professional dropshipping image. Apliiq's design flexibility is key. Supporting embroidery, patches, and various printing techniques, it helps create standout apparel. Their user-friendly interface simplifies artwork uploads and product customization. Apliiq integrates seamlessly with Shopify, automating product imports, inventory, and order fulfillment. Apliiq handles everything from production to shipping, delivering directly to your customer under your brand. This hands-off process saves time and ensures consistent quality. While Apliiq excels in branding and quality, its pricing is higher than generic print-on-demand services. However, its customization and brand-building focus justifies the cost for a premium clothing line. In conclusion, Apliiq is excellent for entrepreneurs creating a branded apparel line with high-quality products and unique customization. Its branding services, design flexibility, and seamless integration make it ideal for a professional, scalable dropshipping business. Check the links below to explore Apliiq and see if it fits your dropshipping goals. This review should help you decide if Apliiq is the right platform for you.